ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Prateek thapa ubala khat khandai stem kerta ula job yake kerdan kabala ya karensan yakop IM Model Search International Modeling kablalong hanong ba Kuala Lumpur jongkeri Malaysia haka khat lai trik kelalingkot arja arfusau. Prateek ula mikmat dikeri India haka National Qualifier Event of Mr. India araja arpulai belapelong daga Global Model India nak puni hak ba ula yorong haka kerdan kebahan riu. Da kini kejing job Prateek lalong kejing sarong ya keri India da ba penlie mi ke nyau phongot kinong ya shimbenta neki arpui tili kiri ke perthai hakui pat kaliang u aman pasa ubla arpu south nam kerta na juai West Chanta Hills District ubadang puli ya ke MUA ulalong unong job hak Mr. Prateek Global India araja arpulai but da kini kejing job un sayo lat ban mi khmat ya keri India hak Mr. Prateek Global araja arpusau ke ban selong hobnai nailar araja arpusau.
Kini kejingnya don lang jongi kini kejan mi kadai ban pen ko borom kini ki arngon kibala represent ya ka state jongi but ya ka brand butterfly kabade ka clothing brand ti kadai ka arta ka fashion house ka ba ladon mentashi snam shiteng hapo kajala jongi ti kini ki arngot ki latri shitom but kisdang ning kong kum ha ka fashion shoot baki modeling ha ki ba kin saya thoi ki hadien ki jing yan ti jongki ti kajing pen ko buram jongi yaki mentagasni kamde tangka kajing kut mo kade kajing sedang yakini ki badon lang hangni badi ki ba pedro kumju but kamtam yaki ba kidang kanti jongki kadang jerong but kidang de ban ya shibun ki competition ti ka competition ru ka kerteng ka ba kila let ban shimbenta kin saya thoi maki but pila ban yos mo hina kitrai ti khandiat bangan kran chapam ka beauty pageant kum iway na mentor bala don hakani ka feel ngan sedang ning kom ya ban ai mo ya ka butterfly collection kam tam i so ma wen bali so chik pariat namar bali lamba ka jongki hoat ka beauty pageant ba fashion show kana don last lem hakam jala jongi Henry ka jingwan ka jongki pat mentala shisnam shiteng niyo i ba ka jingkiu yakani ka benta yakani ka liang ka competition ba kumjo ka modeling haki fashion shoot but kala ai kini ke ka butterfly collection but nga pading na de benta lang but ki ngasngu ipi ba ngaru ning kong ka por banga sedang tharai kiboni ki ba na ki ba pet ki itho yanga but pila tep ya ka jing yan ti jonga kalong ka ba e Henry ngasutanat pa ka jingwan jongki kilong ba pen kersiu thia yakiba bon ki benta hakani kaliang but kila irap shibone especially yakini ki samla jongi badan interest banya yakini ki competition but kan the ba shinram kam tam yo i be haka jala jongi ba kala kiyo ba hakani kaliang haka beauty pageant kum jo ki fashion show kala kiyo ba hakini khindia sanan menta ti kamtam e lomba ngasong komen e ka wei ba menta pat bun sien bangi chaipen i ba ko buram ba ki ba job ki de ki ken thai Henry hakani kalyang pat ngan ong ba ngasu tenat ba ngasu sarong ba ki de ki shenrang ka sien ka ba mangahi ho ki dam ki shenrang man shwa hakini ki snam balale ki bala represent ka state shaki wei de ki benta jongkari ba ki bala wan pendra buram ya ka ri jongi Henry ka sien ka baning kong pat ba nga daladi long ba nga saki ban penko buram pat yaki shinrang ti ngasu sarong ba hakani habun ki liang shi ong maki ken thei kim sadian shu na ki shinrang kila de balong equal Henry hakani ka liang pat ngasu ban ong ba kala long na khong pang ba ki shinrang kim sadian shu ba kum long shu olong ba tangka ken thei ka pageant ba ki shinrang ru ki dan kasap bat ni de ban aila shu yaki shinrang kham tamaka jilla ba in ai shu ki platform ki rinsan ba ki shimbanta ba ki nang ya shakhmat ti ngasu komen kham tam ba mia don lang hamni but kini kin salit shushu umde tang hapo kari India but kin salit shabaru kamtam iwei naki ide Prateek thapa ibalawan but shwa bangin stang ya ka shurung ila dabu audition but ki bon ki balawan Henry kinong bishar but kila ibet ikini armut hadian jom ki interview but shi bon ki liang kila ibet ikini armut ban shimbanta ban mi khmat naka ri jongi ti tangkum ni hi but I wish you both of the very best in life.
I would like to thank the entire team of Butterfly Collection for actually giving me this big opportunity where I've represented my country, India, in an international platform. I would like to thank Marvin sir, Jake sir, and my mentor Eve ma'am for this opportunity and the place where I am today, standing, presenting my beautiful country in this platform. My journey in this entire platform has been really good. The support which I got from Butterfly since the day one, it's been like 1 year I've been model working for Butterfly Collection. The experience there has been really great. I've learned a lot of things from my co-models, from my mentors, from my family, from my friends. Thank you.
I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who've been there for me since day one, especially my friends, my family, and not to forget Butterfly brand for giving wings to my dreams. Everything that I've achieved to now, it's all because of their love and support, and I'm very grateful, and I promise that I'll work more hard in the future and make everyone proud.
The moment I was about to represent my country, India, in this platform, I Am Model Search International, which was held in Malaysia, the moment I got selected from GMI Mr. India for this show, so the first thing which came in my mind was that I'm representing my country, so it's not about my personal lives. I'm taking a lot of opportunities, and I'm something different from others. I'm having those qualities within myself that stands me, ahead of all those guys. So the competition was actually in a very high level. Those contestants, looking at them, their qualities, their speaking skills, but I didn't step behind. I gave my level best there in that platform, and I trusted in myself. And the main motto of I Am Model Search International 2024 was Be You. So I trusted in myself and had that feeling that I can do that. I can do more better, not the best, but better in my life. And I give my level best, but I feel like I'm lacking some qualities, and the main qualities which are good in myself is the leadership qualities, my extreme personality, and maybe the next step. It's not the end for me. The best is yet to come, so I believe that. So I'll be giving my best in the next platform. And are you even representing India? Are you from India? I was like, yes, I'm representing my country, India, and I'm proud for that. So my fellow contestants, they were like, what is India famous for, and what is this mainly known for that? And I was like, the rich cultures which is overwhelmed here in India. So I describe about them. I learned a lot of different cultures from there. 25 different countries participated in this pageant, so I learned a lot of things from there. Yeah, that's all.
Lebih baru lagu teng aman pasar and the national joy teng mana kini orang job dia ke Mr. India Prateek Global, and saya represent dia ke country jonga India, Malaysia, bulan Ogos. Kalau pelongnya kita bang interest ni rumah sua ku apa ban tray as a model, and ngala persang na do mensuahi tang bang 4 desacit do kata tang bah hadin 4 ngala try susu ngala tristom te hadin ngala yo pada kalar ban represent ke state jonga, and nanta permentangan se represent ke country jonga de ba fin de ban give up pide ban one by shakmat ade ba kai ru because baro mangi de ni pedot na way pakawai te dan kam de ban ong ba na hablong kum utei ne katei te de ban long bet kum belong ma pi tang ba fin hab long pat ki kum de katei pareng ki ong. You have to be the best version of yourself. That's it.
Tanvi Marak. I'm the 17th edition Sunset Mega Miss Northeast, and I have been working with Butterfly Collection for almost more than 2 years now, and I feel so proud to be part of this family. And as we all know, we have come to celebrate the success of these two, I'd say, brother, like our family. I feel so happy and I feel overwhelmed, and I'm sure all of you are feeling the same. And when they went for their competition, I felt so proud. I felt like Butterfly Collection is like we are a family. It felt like our family member went to represent us
in that platform, and I'm sure they're gonna motivate and they're gonna build a path for us where we follow the same path of success and we help to pull each other up and achieve the greatest height. Thank you so much.